Caster Semenya catches wife cheating, demands R5m adultery damages. Caster Semenya caught his wife red-handed with a playboy in their matrimonial house is now claiming R5 million rands as adultery damages. This emerged during a hearing in which Caster was brought to the civil court by his estranged wife seeking a peace order. She also wants R5,000 for medical bills from Chris, who allegedly severely assaulted her upon walking on her pants down with the boyfriend way younger than her. Violet Raiseboy told the court that she sustained serious injuries and was admitted to hospital. In his response, Caster told the court that any man placed in his scenario would react as he did. Caster left the court in stitches when he asked magistrate if she was told the story behind the assault. The magistrate asked Caster to narrate his story. "I lied to my wife that I was on a work-related trip and was traveling to New York. I then hid in one of our cars parked outside the house, because I was suspecting her of cheating," he said. Caster said he observed his wife getting home in the company of her sisters. He added that within a few minutes he saw a boy arriving at the house in his car. On arrival of the boy, he said, the wife's sister left the house leaving the lovebirds alone. "My wife asked her boyfriend if he had R2000 for champagne. I saw the boy going to our local shops and returned with 2 bottles of champagne. I painfully watched my wife locking the veranda door and switch off the light," he said. When the light went off, Caster could not hold his anger. He told the court, "I then unlocked the door with my spare keys and found my wife bending over with her pet in her hands. If it were you, what would you do in such a scenario?" he said. Responding to the allegations, Violet Raiseboy told the court that indeed she was in the company of the boy but denied being in a compromising position at the time her husband pounced on her. The magistrate postponed the matter to allow Violet to bring hospital records so that she could be granted the emergency monetary relief she is seeking.